Sneaky ingredients that trigger cravings can stem from hidden ingredients in your food. Here are key culprits. 1. Sugar. Causes blood sugar spikes, leading to more cravings. 2. Refined carbs. Foods like white bread can leave you hungry shortly after. 3. Artificial sweeteners. Lower calorie but can confuse appetite signals. 4. Trans fats. Found in processed items, disrupt insulin and promote snacking. 5. Excess sodium. Increases cravings and thirst in salty snacks. 6. MSG. Enhances flavor and appetite in many processed foods. 7. Dairy. Can trigger cravings due to certain proteins. 8. Preservatives. May interfere with appetite regulation. By avoiding these ingredients, you can better manage cravings and improve your eating habits. Thank you for joining us on this healthful journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights.